First, OpenAI built Alpino. Now, Anthropic wants its own chip. According to reports, the Claude maker is in talks with Samsung to develop a custom AI processor using Samsung's cutting edge 2 nanometer process and advanced packaging technology. Now, before we take a deeper dive into the story, you know the drill. Like, share, and subscribe. With that, let's get straight to it. Now, if you have been following Front Page, you saw this coming. Inference is getting expensive. Every time somebody asks Claude a question, Anthropic pays for the compute behind that answer. One query isn't a problem. Millions a day are. Tens of millions is a strategic problem. That's exactly why OpenAI unveiled Alpino last week, its first custom AI inference built with Broadcom. Google has TPUs, Amazon has Trainium and Inferentia, Microsoft has Maya, and Meta has its own accelerators. Anthropic is effectively the last major frontier lab, still fully dependent on other companies' silicon. And that may not be true for much longer. But the more interesting part of this story is Samsung. Samsung didn't just join Anthropic's most recent funding round. It invested at a valuation of roughly $65 billion. Most people read that as a financial bet. We don't think it was because Samsung is one of the few companies on earth that can offer the entire AI hardware stack: foundry, memory, advanced packaging, manufacturing, HBM supply, chip integration, data center compounds. Samsung isn't just funding Anthropic here, it may be positioning itself to become Anthropic's hardware partner. And that, viewers, changes the equation. Now, here's a detail that most people are overlooking. Anthropic is reportedly evaluating Samsung's advanced packaging capabilities too. Modern AI chips aren't just about transistor density anymore. Increasingly, it's about packaging. How close can memory sit to compute? How efficiently can data move? How much power can you deliver? And how much heat can you remove? The closer memory sits to the processor, the faster models run. And packaging has become one of the biggest bottlenecks in AI infrastructure. For years, TSMC's CoWoS packaging dominated that conversation. Now Samsung wants a seat at that table, and Anthropic could become its highest profile AI customer yet. Now this comes just days after OpenAI launched Alpino. If you missed our coverage, do check it out because I think it marked a turning point. OpenAI said that it designed the chip around its own understanding of models, kernels, serving systems, networking, memory movement, and inference workloads. At the center of all of this is one uncomfortable reality. Nvidia is incredibly expensive. A modern gigawatt scale AI data center can cost around $50 billion, and a huge chunk of that is chips. When you are spending tens of billions on compute, even small efficiency gains become strategic advantages. That's why everyone, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, OpenAI, they are all now potentially Anthropic, which is building custom silicon. The goal isn't replacing Nvidia overnight. It is reducing dependence, improving performance, lowering costs, and controlling your own roadmap. Ladies and gentlemen, here's a front page take on this. I think that we are watching the next phase of the AI race. For years, everyone focused on models: GPT versus Claude, Gemini versus Llama, bigger context windows, higher benchmarks, smarter reasoning. But increasingly, that battle is moving lower down the stack. It's moving into chips, packaging, memory power, networking, infrastructure. The labs are realizing intelligence alone is not enough. You also need to control the factory that produces it. And that's why OpenAI built Alpino. Why Google built TPUs, why Amazon built Trainium, why Microsoft built Maya, and why Anthropic is now talking to Samsung. All because the AI company that controls its silicon controls its cost, its scale, its margins, and ultimately how fast intelligence really reaches the world. The AI chip arms race has now entered a new chapter, viewers, and Anthropic has just joined it. For now, we'll leave you with that thought. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Always remember, ladies and gentlemen, think AI, think AI.